This is my setup of my mini electric motorcycle. Got the controller in here. It's also 24 volts, same with the wheel. Got the wiring done. The little thumb throttle right here. I don't have any brakes set up yet, but I'll do that in the future. Got a battery that this plugs into. This is just a drill battery, 24 volts. Plug in the negative to negative and positive to positive. And you use the little thumb throttle. Watch the wheel. This thing's fast. Gets me about like 12 miles per hour, but top speed around like 15 to 20. Battery lasts me about like 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Yeah, this is my little setup.
Yay!